Survivors come to the Center for Women and Families daily, many seeking refuge from an endless cycle of domestic violence.
The person who caused them harm, maybe they apologize, maybe they promise that it won't happen again, and maybe they believe them.
Zenobia Law says that pattern of abuse has led her clients to get emergency protection orders. But those orders are often violated over and over again.
We hear stories where there are orders of protection out there, and still these victims are harmed or sometimes even killed.
Representative James Tipton of Taylorsville filed House Bill 38, which would harshen the punishment for repeat violators of protection orders. Right now, a violation is a Class A misdemeanor in Kentucky, but Tipton says the measure would make the third violation of an order a Class D felony if that violation involves the use or attempted use of physical force or threat of physical harm, or the victim of each offense is the same person.
And we really want to make sure that we are supporting survivors through that process. And I think that this bill could help that.
Originally, the bill made the second violation a felony, but it was amended to the third offense, which would lead perpetrators to face this much time in prison.
A Class D felony is a sentence of 1 to 5 years.
There is a percentage of cases that may not be enough, but I think that there are some that it is.
The House voted unanimously in favor of House Bill 38 on Tuesday. Law hopes it will continue to move forward to help stop the cycle faced by thousands of survivors across the state.
The sooner that we can get those protections put in place where there is a harsher consequence to hold people accountable, I think is really valuable for our community.
Madeline Carter, WLKY News.